What's up, my gang, my love, my fam, subscriber? I'm hoping so. It is wash day. It is past wash day, actually. I switched my wash day back to Sunday from Friday. Fridays was just not, it wasn't cutting it for me. I feel like Sunday is just the perfect, reset day. Most of us, I am assuming, are either in school or work or both, like myself. And Monday is when the week starts to get to going or whatever. Sunday is just the perfect day to just get my life together for tomorrow. I'm trying to get my life together, period. Okay, I'm really feeling like, take me out the game, coach. I need to be benched for a little bit, just for a minute.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Take me off. Cut the show. I'm done.
Cut the show. Cut it right now. New season. We need a new season. Roll the credits. I don't know. Something needs to happen. That's how I'm feeling. I'm sure the rest. I know someone watching this is relating. Life has been lifing lately. Oh my God. Like even if I wanted to wash my hair on Friday, it was not gonna happen. So I'm here. Thank God I am here. I'm in good spirits. This weekend I was able to go jog, clean up, and just journal, woosah. Just some things I really needed to do. It's gonna be the perfect way to kind of bring my weekend to a close. I'm tired, but I love washing my hair. Just being able to submerge underwater and just listen to music and just dedicate this time for me and myself. No one bother me, phone on D&D. I know it may seem like, especially if you go to my YouTube page, you would just think, oh my God, this girl is just all about hair, about natural hair, curly hair. She must be completely obsessed with her hair. Just absolute false. I made this channel because I got a lot of questions about my natural hair, and I just wanted it to be first one, I was looking for a hobby. 2, I need the money. That's 3, people were just asking me a lot, and I just wanted to be a place where I could teach people. I just wanted to be a chill corner of the internet that y'all can visit, people that are into natural hair, watching it, learning about their own hair. It definitely isn't the most important thing to me. Being able to do wash days and know how to do my hair, washing my hair, it's just it's therapeutic. It's cost friendly, child. Is energy friendly too. You have everybody in your hair. You know how to do your hair. I just feel like knowing how to do your own hair is top tier. It's a top tier skill, especially if you have hair like this, thick like this. Even if you don't wear it curly, but just you're someone who washes it and flat irons it, washes it and braids it, washes it and twists. I want to be a friend. I want to be a motivator. So that's just a little spiel about why I make the videos that I make. To add to that, just so I do have a whole entire life outside of doing my hair once a week, because it is just a once a week thing. Trust me, I have so much other things that take up my time. Out of 100% of my life, hair is maybe 10%. Even it being doing YouTube, making videos, it's still a very small percentage of I ain't gonna say that, I'm trying to grow this YouTube, so let me not say that. I don't want anyone watching my channel thinking, oh, I need to make hair my absolute #1 priority to make it flourish or get to the hair goals that I want. That is not the case at all. This is just somewhere that you can go from time to time, many channels, many other natural hair pages. Going to someone's page who just promotes natural self-hair care or whatever, it's gonna seem oh, this is all this person does. But that just keep in mind that we are human. Honestly, I struggle to make videos and be so consistent about it because I have so many other things to juggle. But yeah, this is a once a week thing, 1 day out of the week, and not even 1 day. My hair doesn't even get a full day. It gets a couple of hours. I'm just taking my time. It's gonna be a real chill, relaxed day. We are using a new product. It's going to be a pattern wash day. Love a pattern wash day. You gonna watch the video and find out, right? You're gonna stay until the end See how the hair turns out. We're doing some like mini twists today. I don't think I've ever really done mini twists on my hair. Let's go ahead and cue the dramatic wash day, and thanks for watching. Much love. Got my own money. Check one, check two, check one, check two. Yo, get me not recording anything once I finish the twist. Like, it took me a little minute to finish, but I was so happy with the results. Like, this product, I didn't want to use it as a wash and go because on the product itself, it didn't recommend to use it for wash and goes, which I agree with. I feel like it's a little too loose. Like, it's not enough hold to do a wash and go, even though the curls were defined. Okay, this product is perfect for some twists, especially some mini twists. They were nice and juicy. Again, I forgot to record after, y'all. I'm so sorry. I had a couple pics in my phone, just a couple. This was how my hair was looking by the end of the week. 10 out of 10 recommend this product, especially if you're a twist girly, a twist curly. Yeah, of course I'm gonna have all the products linked for y'all in the description box. If you watch this far, please let me know you subscribe. Please say hello in the comments, and until next time, much love, much peace, deuces.